Do you find yourself stuck with those headache clients, the ones that they're just not a right fit for your firm? I'm Warren Fogelman with Business Success Solution, working with accounting firm owners on how to be able to grow their dream firm. So if you believe that you're client-centered and that means accepting everybody because you know you can help them, I simply want to say that is not true. Because at some point, it's not going to work for you. It's going to actually backfire. The result is you end up getting frustrated. It costs more time than you expected to. And as a result of that, it actually cuts into your profit margin as well. I want you to be choosy about who your clients are. Cherry pick in order to be able to have those clients that are a joy to work with instead of the one that add frustration and strength. And as I said, there's a hidden cost to enrolling the wrong client into your firm. And here are some things to think about with those wrong clients. These are the 4 Ds of non-ideal clients, is they drain your energy. Think about it. Some of those clients, you are exhausted after speaking with them or simply thinking about how to respond to their email request. They demand your attention. So they want more time with you. They want to talk to you about everything. They nitpick, or sometimes they even question and challenge you. Number 3 is they are difficult to work with. They don't want to follow your processes, your workflows. They expect exceptions on a lot of different things, or else they just don't communicate with you in a timely manner. And number 4 is they don't get the best results that your firm has to offer because they're not really invested in doing anything differently than what they've been doing all along. They want you to adapt to them instead of them adapting to you because that's just how they are. So those are some of the 4 Ds. They drain your energy, they demand your attention, they're difficult to work with, they don't get those great results that your other really ideal clients do get. And whether you're a bookkeeper, tax preparer, CPA, you probably find that once you have one of those non-ideal clients, the ones who just aren't a fit for your firm, you hold on to them for much too long. Maybe you try to raise their rates and they stay anyway, or you secretly wish they would go away. But whatever it is, you hold off on firing them because that feels confrontational, it feels difficult, it just adds additional stress to everything. And because of that, there's actually a solution. You don't have to continue having this happen to you. You can be very, very client-centered and really protect yourself also. Put some boundaries in place. I want you to think about pre-qualifying clients. I want to make sure that you're enrolling people who are the right fit for you instead of just everybody that are willing to pay your fees. And by doing this, by pre-qualifying clients where you kind of test them out, you find out if they are the right fit for you on some different levels, then you avoid ending up with that wrong client for way, way, way too long. So this whole thing came from talking with one of my clients earlier today about her firm. It's tax season. She wanted to put a calendar link on her website to make herself easily accessible for all these new clients that are reaching out to her. And when we talked about it, I told her, stop. And she looked at me like, why? And the reason why is because her time's really, really precious. And she needs to protect her time, especially during the busy season, instead of making it easy for anybody to access her calendar. So what would she do instead? Well, instead of a calendar link, I told her to put a couple pre-qualifying questions on her website that people would need to fill in first before they went ahead and got that calendar link. By this way, she can look at their answers, and just from a couple of very strategic questions, she's able to tell whether someone's the right fit or not. And I told her the exact questions. And if you want to see a sample of, and they were modeled after what I have on my website. So if you want to see that sample, you can go to businesssuccesssolution.com/let's talk. You can see the questions I have and feel free to model them. And what happens now is people that are really interested in speaking with you will go ahead and fill out the answers. They'll submit the questionnaire. If you look at them or someone on your team looks at them and sees that it's a fit, then you go ahead and share your calendar link. If it's not a fit, either you don't need to respond or you can respond with some recommendation on something that would be helpful for them. Anyway, this is a way to protect you, your team, your firm from people that just aren't a right fit for you for whatever reason. Maybe they don't fit with your culture. Maybe they have a type of business that's not a good fit. Maybe they really never wanted to engage your services. They just wanted to pick your brain and get free information. Either way, I want to protect you because your time is really, really valuable. And if you find that you're tired of working with those clients who aren't a right fit, you want more tips like this on how to be able to protect yourself, put some of these other things in place, and be able to screen clients as part of your onboarding process, then join me on Wednesday. I'm going to teach you more about the virtual gatekeeper that sets that boundary, and it's something you can easily put in place. But join me Wednesday. I'm doing a complimentary webinar, web masterclass on how to earn 2 to 3 more times from cleanup projects. And that is going to be on Wednesday, February 4th at 4 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific. So once again, how to earn 2 to 3 times more from your cleanup projects. It has to do with your onboarding system also, no matter what type of projects you do. It's going to be on Wednesday, February 14th at 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific. It's a complimentary masterclass, and you can get all the details at businesssuccesssolution.com/cleanup. Cleanup is all one word. Once again, businesssuccesssolution.com/cleanup. And I'm just going to say, following the system, and it is a step-by-step onboarding system for projects. It saves you from those headache clients that you end up holding on to much too long. They aren't a good fit for you, and you avoid firing them. Let's go ahead and fix that so that you can be well on your way to building your dream firm. Anyway, Lauren Fogelman, showing firm owners how to double their income working half the time.